savory, spicy, soulful. Jambalaya is a melting pot of cultures simmered together in one iconic southern pot. Today we are diving deep into the rich history behind America's most flavorful comfort food. Jambalaya's roots run deep in Louisiana, a state shaped by French, Spanish, African, and Caribbean influences. In the late 1700s, Spanish settlers in New Orleans likely adapted the elements of paella, replacing saffron with tomatoes, inspiring the Creole-style jambalaya as we know today. The French Acadians from Canada, later known as Cajuns, added their own rustic touch, blending local rice, smoked sausage, and seafood. The African and Caribbean influences brought bold spices, rich broths, and slow simmering techniques, transforming jambalaya into one-pot wonder. What started as a necessity, stretching ingredients to feed communities, became a signature dish. Now that you know the history, it's time to bring it to life. Coming up next, step-by-step jambalaya tutorial, just like it's been done for generations in the heart of Louisiana. Stay tuned and let's turn the heritage into flavor.